kitchen. We are here another day for another easy, tasty, fast recipe. And today is the turn of calamares a la romana or fried calamari. So today we're going to do just that. I'm going to show you how to do it at home. And I have cut my calamari in rings of about a centimeter, more or less wide. I have left them for about an hour, maybe more, in macerating in lemon juice, so this will give them a nicer flavor. And now what we're going to start is we're going to start preparing the batter. Now the batter, we start with beating 2 eggs in a bowl, and now we're going to add the flour. There it goes. And to make it fluffy, we're going to add some baking powder as well. This will make the batter very, very fluffy. And we're going to mix these. And what we're going to do now, we're going to add some sparkling water, which will make the batter really, really even fluffier. So this is how it looks. It's okay. And now we're going to cook the calamaris. Okay, so I have now dried my calamari, and what I'm going to do, I'll pass them on the flour first, then I'll pass them onto the batter, and then they will go into the hot oil, and this is what we will do with all of them. And this, my dear friends, is how they look, the calamaris, once fried. You can see they are fluffy. You cannot find anything fluffier than this, and they are very tasty. Don't forget to add salt to it. You can add a bit of garlic if you want to, maybe to give it another type of flavor. But all in all, these are amazing. So I hope that you try this recipe. Please do subscribe to our channel. Do follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Check out the stories that we have there. And please do cook it, do try it, eat it. It is lovely. Tell us what you think about this dish on the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.